right, we are back live, and I was not expecting to walk out here for this segment and actually be greeted by sunshine. We found a little sliver of a hole in the clouds to get the sun out here, and that's perfect for the timing to unveil this behind me, our brand new Lakeside Renovation and Design weather deck. Obviously, it's not complete, but we're moving in that direction, which is why I'm joined right now by Matthew Jennings with Lakeside. Matt, first of all, thank you for being out here. Thank you for this as well. How far along are we in the construction?
Yeah, thank you for having us, first of all, in the partnership. And we've made it through the framing process. And so once we get through the framing process, we pass inspections and we get to the place where we can start to install composite decking and then even start to wrap the stone portions of the project as well.
A project this size is a little bigger with the roof probably than some decks, but something like this, how long does it take to put in?
Yeah, depending on the deck size, obviously, that's the question that we have a lot. The deck size, we could do a small or standard size deck in about 2 weeks.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Now, one question I had as I was thinking about this interview, sitting at home on my not so nice deck that's like 30 years old, have you guys seen an uptick during COVID of requests and bids and such for decks like this?
Yes, we've seen a huge uptick. And with COVID, everybody's spending more time outside. We kind of call it our COVID vacation fund spent on the backyard. So
they're spending it, and then you guys are obviously, it's a catch-22. You hate to go through COVID, but there are, now you guys are seeing some of the pickup on the backside of that.
Yeah.
Matthew, we're going to talk to you more a little bit later this morning about what's going into this deck and some of the special features. One of the best ones, thank you very much, is that on weather days when we don't have the sunshine and these clouds are producing rain, like yesterday, I'll be able to be live out here but not have to worry about getting rainfall on me or snow because we'll be able to sit by the fireplace inside. Let's go ahead and bring on the big board.